The New York Hall of Science, NYSCI, is a hands-on science and technology museum located in Flushing Meadows-Corona Park, Queens, New York City. It was originally built as a pavilion for the 1964 World's Fair and later transformed into a science center. The museum aims to inspire and educate visitors of all ages about the wonders of science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, STEM, through interactive exhibits, educational programs, and immersive experiences. It features over 450 exhibits that cover a wide range of scientific disciplines and topics. Visitors to the New York Hall of Science can engage in hands-on activities, experiments, and demonstrations that explore various scientific concepts. The exhibits encourage visitors to observe, ask questions, experiment, and discover scientific principles in a fun and interactive way. The museum's permanent exhibits cover areas such as biology, chemistry, physics, earth science, environmental science, and technology. Some highlights include the Connected Worlds exhibit, which explores ecosystems and sustainability, and the Rocket Park Mini Golf, where visitors can play a round of mini golf while learning about the science of rocketry. In addition to its permanent exhibits, NYSCI also hosts temporary exhibitions that focus on specific scientific themes or contemporary issues. These exhibitions often feature interactive displays, multimedia presentations, and hands-on activities that provide visitors with engaging and thought-provoking experiences. The museum offers educational programs and workshops for students, families, and educators, including science camps, after-school programs, and professional development opportunities for teachers. It also collaborates with schools and community organizations to promote STEM education and outreach. The New York Hall of Science is committed to accessibility and inclusivity, offering resources and accommodations for visitors with disabilities. It also provides bilingual exhibits and programs to cater to the diverse communities in New York City. Overall, the New York Hall of Science serves as a hub for scientific exploration and learning, encouraging visitors to be curious, ask questions, and engage in hands-on experiences to better understand the world around them.